Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech, day number 20 in Power BI DAX functions. So previously we have discussed different types of DAX functions. In that we have already covered date and time DAX functions, logical DAX functions, informative DAX functions, and number 4 which we are going to deal is like mathematical and trigonometric DAX functions, in which we have already covered 4 different types of DAX functions, which is acos, degree, fact, and more on. Now today in this video we are going to discuss an very important mathematical function, which is combin. So this combin, how it work and why we are using it, we are going to detail in discuss in this particular video. I request everyone, do not skip this video in between. If you have skipped, then there will be miss or gap in the complete understanding of this particular DAX function. And if you're watching our channel for the first time, if you missed our other previous 19 days of function, 19 days of videos, we have provided the link of the playlist in description box. You can go ahead and watch it. And if you're liking our channel, please do give a like if you're not subscribing also. Let's start with the today's video. So here what I'm going to do is I am creating a new measure named as combin. It's equal to combin. So here you can see it says returns the number of combinations for a given number of items. Use combin to determine the total possible number of groups for a given number of items, which means it will give you the permutations and combinations for if you're working on some predictive, or like you want to know the different combinations which you are going to use in this particular team. If we are analyzing a particular team, out of which how many people can perform, or like let's take an example of probability. It is purely based on the probability, out of which if you're taking a dice, rolling a dice, how many fives will come if you're rolling a two in a dual dice kind of thing. The same thing will work over here. So what I'm going to take is I'm going to take the number as 8, and the combination is number of chosen is 2. Let's see. Let's hit enter. The DAX function is completed. Now I'm going to create an card and I'm going to enter this combine function over here. So I got 28 as a result. So 28, which is the number that there is a 28 possibility number of combinations which can occur between 8 and 2. That's why it is coming as 8 and 2. If you are having any doubt in this particular concept, please do post your query in the comment box. And to give a detailed clear-cut information in theoretical method, we have provided the descriptive answer for this particular and previous DAX functions also in our blog page. The blog page link is also provided in the description. Please do read it and understand. We are happy to assist you in all the time. Please post your queries at any point of time through our comment box. We are happy to reply you back as soon as possible. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.